Switch to Chrome. Don't switch now. All right. So normally by default, what happens is if you go down here under internet option, right, under security, right, under custom level, normally they disable the Windows downloads. But I'm sure that I enabled the download just because to download some applications, but I can't remember. See, it is by default it's enable, or sorry, it's by default disabled, but I change it to enable just to make sure that I can download some applications to install on this computer. But this may be the point for everyone. Even if the download is being disabled, people can just simply go and enable and they can download it. What we can do is now we can control this through a group policy as well. So let's minimize this. So let's keep this one side. We don't want this as well. Right, let's go to the domain controller and create a new group policy. Right, so let's say this time just enter a name, right? Just simple, give a name to say manage download or whatever, right? Just give a name, right? Disable download internet IE, right? So create it. So now we have just created a policy. Let's go edit. Right, where do we have the settings now? So this is again a computer one, right? We wanted to top it on the computer. So let's go to the computer configuration. I'm sure this is under policies again, under again administrative, under again Windows component, right? So updates, and this both under Windows component, right? If you scroll down, we will see Internet Explorer somewhere. Yep, Internet Explorer, right? Under Internet Explorer, we will see Internet Control Panel, right? Under Internet Control Panel, security page, right? Go under security page and then Internet Zone, right? So this is where we disable the option. So here we will have a file downloading option and we have to disable it. So if I go down here, allow file download, right, disable, just click there and click disable, right? So allow file downloading is disabled. What you can do is we can enable here and then I'm going to say disable the file downloading. So if you disable it, that the policy is being disabled, but I'm going to enable the policy, but the policy will allow file downloads option means disabled, so we can't download the file. So that's how you configure it here. Fine. So now the file download is disabled. Apply and click OK. Now the policy has been configured. So the policy is sitting here. What we have to do is we have to now apply this policy to again in devices, right? So maybe let's go and apply it to production PC, because we are in production, we have this policy, right? So I applied to production OU, right? That's the OU that we have, right? This is where we have got the computers, right? Right. What we do now, let's go and check it, right? So let's go back here. False. So we just the enable or apply the policy, right? Once it's been applied, right, let's go log out and log in. That's the best option to do always. So let's quickly log out. No, it's a computer policy, so I'm going to restart. So let me restart it again. Let's go and check what happens to the policy now. So go to internet options, security. Okay, here we go. Can you see the message here? Some settings are managed by the administrator. It tells you now some of these settings are managed by the administrator, right? If you go click here, right, see, this is now gray. We can't select, right? This option is being removed now, right? So that says we can't change anymore the download options here, right? So that's how we configure disable downloads through Internet Explorer, right?